Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 21st of September. And first of all, national news. PM Modi invited US President Biden as Republic Day guest during meet before G20 summit. US Ambassador. India issued tit for tat travel advisory for Canada. President Murmu hailed Women's Reservation Bill, terms a transformative revolution for gender justice. Lok Sabha passed reservation bill granting 33% seats to women in Lok Sabha assemblies. India to host Indo-Pacific Army Chiefs Conclave, 22 nations to attend. Akasa Air got approval for starting international flights. ISRO's Aditya L1 solar mission begin studying solar wind. Collected data on energetic particles. PM Modi's WhatsApp channel crossed 1 million followers in a day. Central Teacher Eligibility Test 2023 result likely to be released this week. And now some international news. Best we have ever seen, US envoy hailed India's G20 summit. US not seeking conflict with China but will push back on aggression. Biden. Climate target should not bankrupt British people. UK's Suella Braverman have accepted Chinese President Xi Jinping's invitation to visit China in October, Putin said. US said Canada's allegations serious, seek India's cooperation. Ukraine said 17 of 24 Russian drones destroyed after overnight attack. Turkish president raised Kashmir issue during UN General Assembly address. Now some sports news. Indian women's hockey team left for Asian Games. Antim Panghal shocked reigning world champion Olivia Parrish reach semi-final. Ronaldinho to visit Kolkata during Durga Puja. New Zealand to decide Team Saudi's Cricket World Cup 2023 fate after surgery. Mohammad Siraz reclaimed number 1 spot in ICC ODI rankings after Asia Cup 2023 final heroics. Lovelina Borgohain and Harmanpreet Singh to be India's flag bearers at Asian Games opening ceremony. Not going to take any team lightly. India men's hockey team captain Harmanpreet Singh ahead of Asian Games. Business related news. ADB moderated India GDP growth hopes this year to 6.3%. Rupee recovered from record lows, jumped 24 paise to end at 83.08 against US dollar. France total energized to invest $300 million in JV with Adani Group. Data Protection Board major rules likely in a month. Rajiv Chandrasekhar. And that's all in news. Thank you.